Research has proven that indoor plants can reduce psychological stress and has tons of health benefits. The only problem is there are so many plants with different needs and benefits, and it can become a little difficult to choose the right one for your house. But no need to worry because we are here to help you with that issue. In today's video, we will share you the 5 indoor plants to have in your house for a healthy lifestyle. Number 1. Aloe vera. A healing aloe plant is a beautiful addition to your kitchen windowsill. It loves a bright spot while being on hand to ease any kitchen burns. This plant will be clearing the air of formaldehyde and benzenes found in varnishes, floor finishes, and cleansers. It thrives very well in a sunny location and does not need frequent watering. This makes it perfect for new plant moms and dads. Just make sure to place it in a well-lit corner and out of the way to avoid pricking. Number 2. Snake plant. The presence of snake plants not only improves the appearance of your home surroundings but also purifies the air for you. What makes this plant unique is the ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen even at night. It also saves you from allergic reactions by removing the toxic pollutants from the air. According to the American Society of Horticulture Science, snake plants can reduce the ozone concentration in a simulated indoor setting and reduce airborne contaminants. Number 3. Pothos. Pothos is one of the most popular indoor plants because of their sturdy nature. They don't need soil or direct sunlight to grow and will rarely bother you with plant problems. These plants remove pollutants such as formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, xylene, and benzene from the air, thus purifying the environment from potentially harmful toxins. They can increase humidity as well. So, the more moisture in the air, the fewer chances to catch certain viral infections such as influenza. Number 4. Rubber plant. The rubber tree has oval, shiny, and leather-like leaves which have a glowy effect and give a perfect look to your house. It is an inexpensive and non-allergic indoor plant with countless benefits and an attractive appearance. It purifies the air by getting rid of fungal spores and bacteria. It also converts the dangerous toxins present in the air into harmless chemicals. It is not very needy when it comes to maintenance, though it loves indirect sunlight but can also adapt to low light conditions and needs infrequent watering cycles. Number 5. Spider plant. As the name suggests, the spider plant has narrow, long leaves arranged in a way that looks like spiders' legs. It is one of the most favorite indoor plants of many people, and it deserves to be the favorite as it has so many health and environmental benefits. It removes harmful toxins from the environment like indoor carbon monoxide, which results in reduced stress, fatigue, colds, headache, and fresh purified air to breathe in. Another thing that makes it an excellent choice for your home is they are not toxic. In fact, you can eat them. They are quite nutritious with a mildly bitter taste. The indoor plants are beautiful. They clean the room, they clean the air and provide you with lots of health benefits. So it's a win-win situation. Moreover, health benefits from these plants are not just associated with your physical body, but also with your mind and soul. When the environment in your house is neat and pure, you feel nice and calm. No doubt, keeping indoor plants at your home or workplace could be one of the best treats you could give to yourself. If you like our content, let us know in the comment section below. Like, comment, and share. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.